Spring is coming fast, and so is rain, soft terrain, and the rush to get jobs done. Altoz track power equipment is ready, rain or shine. Whether the ground is soft, wet, rough, or uneven, Altoz tracks keep you working with the traction, light footprint, and low ground pressure needed to power through. The Altoz TRX Tracked Zero-Turn mower is built to go where others can't. Tackle slopes, wet ground, and rough terrain with confidence. The all-terrain deck with 6 swing blades provides reliable mowing in challenging conditions, while the aero deck provides a professional-grade cut every time. The Altoz TSX Tracked Stand-On mower provides the benefits of tracks along with an all-terrain deck, extra agility, 360-degree visibility, and a lower price point. Fit more machines on a trailer and enjoy safety and stability while taking on more lucrative, hard-to-reach jobs with the Altoz TSX. From seasonal cleanup to heavy hauling, the Switch Compact Tool Carrier is your all-in-one solution for spring projects and year-round productivity. Swap out attachments like the Power Angle Broom, Material Bucket, or your choice of a 44-inch or 61-inch all-terrain deck to tackle any task with ease. Add the rear spray kit for herbicides and insecticides to cover more ground in less time. No matter the job, the Altoz Switch keeps you working smarter in every season. Get the most done this spring, rain or shine. Altoz tracked power equipment. More traction, more power, more work done. Visit altoz.com or contact your local Altoz dealer today.